First, we have Amazon SQS, which stands for Simple Queue Service. It helps in managing messages between different components of an application. Then, we have Oz Lambda, a service that allows you to run code in response to events without managing servers. This can be triggered by various sources, including HTTP endpoints, which are URLs that can receive requests over the internet. Next, we have email notifications, which are a common way to communicate updates. Mobile push notifications are similar but are sent directly to mobile devices, while SMS refers to text messages sent to phones. Additionally, Amazon Data Firehose is a service that helps in loading streaming data into data lakes and analytics services. Lastly, we have service providers like Datadog, MongoDB, and Splunk, which offer various functionalities for monitoring and managing data. In summary, these services provide a robust framework for sending notifications and handling data efficiently across different platforms. You can manage Amazon SNS in a few different ways. The first option is through the Oz Management Console, which provides a user-friendly graphical interface. This is great for those who prefer to click through options rather than using command lines. Another way to access SNS is through the Oz Command Line Interface, or CLI. This method is more suited for users who are comfortable with typing commands directly. Lastly, you can also use Oz SDKs, which are software development kits that allow you to integrate SNS into your applications programmatically. Think of it like choosing how you want to communicate with a friend. You could call them, send a text, or even write them a letter. Each method has its own advantages depending on your needs. In summary, Amazon SNS can be accessed through the console, CLI, or SDKs, giving you flexibility in how you manage your notifications. Amazon SNS provides a user-friendly console that allows you to create topics and subscriptions easily. This means you can send and receive messages without needing to dive deep into complex configurations. For those who prefer more control, the Oz Command Line Interface, or CLI, offers direct access to the SNS API, enabling advanced setups and automation. Additionally, Oz provides software development kits, or SDKs, in various programming languages to help developers integrate SNS into their applications. One common use case for SNS is the up-and-out scenario. Here, when a message is published to an SNS topic, it can be sent to multiple endpoints at once. For instance, imagine you have an online store. Whenever a customer places an order, a message is sent to the SNS topic. All subscribed SQS receive this message simultaneously, allowing for efficient processing of the order. In summary, Amazon SNS is a powerful tool for creating scalable and reliable communication between applications, making it easier to manage events and notifications. Phanot is a powerful feature that allows you to send notifications to multiple destinations at once. For instance, you can Phanot messages to Firehose delivery streams, which can help in streaming data to storage services like Amazon S3. Additionally, you can send notifications to Lambda functions, enabling automated processing of events as they occur. This means that when a specific event happens, your Lambda function can automatically respond without any manual intervention. Moreover, you can also Phanot notifications to Amazon SQS queues. This is useful for asynchronous processing, where messages can be queued and processed later, ensuring that no data is lost even if the system is busy. Another option is to send notifications to HTTPS endpoints, allowing external systems to receive updates in real time. In summary, Amazon SNS provides a flexible way to distribute notifications across various Oz services, Enhancing event-driven computing capabilities. Amazon SNS allows developers to send push notifications to users and applications easily. One of the great things about SNS is that there are no upfront costs. Instead, you pay based on how many messages you send and deliver. This means you can start using it without any initial investment, and there's even a free tier to help you get started. Pricing can vary depending on the type of message endpoint you use, so it's good to check the details for SMS pricing if that's relevant to your needs. SNS offers a wide range of features that enhance communication between applications and users. For instance, it supports application-to-application messaging, which is useful for connecting different services like Lambda functions or HTTP endpoints. This is similar to how different departments in a company communicate with each other to ensure smooth operations. In summary, Amazon SNS is a flexible and cost-effective solution for managing notifications and messages across various platforms. Additionally, SNS allows for message archiving, replay, and analytics. You can archive messages in various ways, such as by subscribing Amazon Kinesis data firehose delivery streams to SNS topics. This means you can send notifications to different analytics endpoints, like Amazon S3 buckets or Amazon Redshift tables. There's also a feature for FIFO topics that supports message archiving and replay. This allows topic owners to store messages directly within their topic, and subscribers can retrieve these archived messages whenever needed. Another feature is message attributes, which let you add metadata to your messages. By default, every subscriber gets all messages published to a topic. However, if a subscriber wants to receive only specific messages, they can set a filter policy. This policy can be based on message attributes, allowing for more targeted message delivery. In summary, Amazon SNS provides powerful tools for message management, including archiving, filtering, and metadata support. To enhance this monitoring, you can set up CloudWatch alarms. These alarms can trigger automated actions if the metrics exceed certain thresholds, ensuring you can respond quickly to any issues. Additionally, CloudWatch logs can be used to capture the delivery status of messages sent to HTTP or HTTPS endpoints, giving you a detailed view of how your messages are performing. Another useful feature is the ability to route undeliverable messages to a dead letter queue using Amazon SQS. This means that if a message can't be delivered, it won't just be lost. Instead, it will be stored for further inspection. You can also subscribe an SQS queue to an SNS topic, allowing for organized message processing. In summary, monitoring and managing your Amazon SNS resources effectively can lead to a more reliable messaging system. First, you can update or modify your Amazon SNS configurations using change sets. This means you can make adjustments without having to do everything manually, saving you time and effort. Additionally, you can track API calls made to Amazon SNS. This tracking includes information about who accessed or modified topics, which is crucial for maintaining security. Speaking of security, you can detect unauthorized or unexpected activities by analyzing logs. This helps ensure compliance and keeps your system safe. You can also integrate Amazon SNS with tools like Amazon CloudWatch or All Security Hub to create alerts based on specific events. This is particularly useful for event-driven processing, where functions can be automatically triggered in response to messages. For example, if a new message comes in, you can set up a function to process it immediately. In summary, Amazon SNS provides powerful tools for managing notifications, ensuring security, and automating workflows. First, It's crucial to authenticate users and services before they can interact with SNS topics. This means verifying their identity to ensure that only authorized entities can send or receive messages. You can define specific permissions that dictate which users or roles can access particular SNS topics. This is done using identity-based policies, which help enforce security best practices by restricting access to sensitive information. Additionally, you can encrypt SNS messages to protect them while they are stored. This can be done using either OS-managed keys or keys that you manage yourself. To further control access, you can create detailed key policies that specify who can use these keys. For compliance, it's important to audit key usage regularly. You can also trace message delivery across various OS services, like Lambda, to identify any delays or errors in message flows. For instance, if a message takes too long to publish, you can visualize the process to find where the bottleneck is occurring. In summary, managing access and security in Amazon SNS is essential for ensuring that your messaging system is both secure and efficient.